Today I was asked by my company to create an album cover by posing some models and then taking a screenshot of them. So, I'll do just that. I don't need this useless piece of trash cube. Now, I should save this project as a new file. See the things red? I have to change its name so that it's not the same as another Blender project file. Each character model here has an SMD file and a collider file, and each of the two contains the character model and its bones. Oh, the thing on the top is gone. To make it appear again, I just need to click it. I have to change the viewport shading to the third one in order to make the model show its textures. Currently this cloud model doesn't have any textures. Don't you worry, you lousy viewer, because I'll give him the textures soon. But first, I ought to change the names of the meshes and bones so that they aren't confusing. Now some of you may be asking, why aren't you using the collider files? Well, I was messing around with both the SMD and collider files, and I found out the SMD files have a better quality in general, so I decided to stick with them. Before adding clouds textures, I'll rotate all bones because, for some reason, the models always lay down when imported by default. Now, to make this model get his textures, I need to set the base color as an image texture, then select the PNG file from this models folder. There we go. Now Cloud has his textures. Don't worry about why he has two swords. That doesn't matter to someone like you, who probably didn't play Fortune Street Special even once. Haha.
That wasn't very nice of you. Don't you know that there's barely anyone who knows about or has played that strange Monopoly-esque game?
Oh, shut up. My video, my ways. I didn't have time to tell you this earlier, but I'll tell you, I'm using a recent version of Blender that doesn't have a proper collider plugin yet, which is another reason I'm using an SMD file here. Now, I have to import what? Why did Cloud's position reset back to the center?
Maybe Blender responded to your rude remarks.
Lies. Blender isn't a sentient program. Oh well, I can change Cloud's position easily, so no worries. I will repeat whatever processes I did with Cloud before with this DQ5 hero model.
Oh god, the two models are overlapping each other. Gah, I can't look at this.
I'll move them apart from each other soon, okay? Geez, no need to be so impatient.
Are they still overlapping each other?
I'll let you know when they aren't overlapping each other anymore. Now I'll tell you some trivia while they are still overlapped. For some reason, when I import the SMD files, the way the stuff is organized demands that all bones and meshes be in the same folder. On the other hand, the collider files are organized so that each model has its own set of separate bones, independent of other models' bones and meshes. There, I moved them apart from each other. Happy now?
Yes. Now my eyes won't bleed.
Now, I'll rotate these models so that they face each other.
What? Why face each other?
My company said that the album cover has to be about these two guys shaking hands. That's why.
Well, the distance between these two guys is quite short. Is this a new you-know-what or something?
No. It's a recreation of a scene in the opening cutscene of Fortune Street Special.
Yeah, this is definitely a new you-know-what.
Just shut up already. I said that's not what this is.
Oh my, they were looking directly at each other.
Sigh. Now, it's time to rotate this field around and around and around.
Really? Oh, it stopped. Wait a minute. Oh my god, they were getting closer to each other. Whoa.
HMM. There isn't much to talk about now. I guess I should turn up the music.
More spinny time late.
Sorry, viewers, but the time for this video's running out. Thanks for watching. See you next video.
Wait. It's only been 5 minutes.